me now? Oh, I thought my voice carried without the microphone. That was fabulous. It's very cultural. You know anything about the youth and our culture? I am there, 100%. Anything cultural, I'm in. And I'm honored to have tonight Mazi JJ as the only one that Igbo culture is very, very important to. A round of applause for Mazi JJ. I realize he's here tonight covering this show. Especially in the youth, you know, so we have to promote our culture and preserve our heritage at all times. That's all we have. I will switch back to English, so excuse me.
Before you switch back, I want you to say Ndewo and I want them to respond.
Okay. Ndewo. One more time. Ndewo. Now we're in the house. Okay. We are in the house. A round of applause for you all. So, yes. So, again, my company does various events, and one thing that is dear to my heart is carrying the young adults and Igbo youth along with me. I just want to make sure that I give a shout out to Lady Christine Irozu and her family. They are sitting on the left. These people have been there for us. They support Igbo culture. They support the youth. She is the president, has been the president for 6 years for the Igbo women here in Georgia. It's not an easy task. She is sitting on the left in the middle, sitting so quietly, but she can move mountains. A round of applause for Lady Christine. All right. And her husband, the gentleman, accompanying her tonight. We really honor your presence. Now I'm going to call the first queen in the house. She is still holding the title. She's gonna make a brief remark. So, can you please come and take this microphone, Miss Chelsea Garuba? She is the current Miss Teen Elegance USA. She is in the house tonight.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Chelsea Garuba. I am 16 years old, and I've been competing in pageants for some years now. I'm proud to say that I currently hold the title of Miss Elegance Georgia Bronze 2024. I would like to say something to all the girls here tonight. I just want to say how proud I am of you. Pageants aren't just about crowns and dresses like everyone thinks. They teach us how to be confident, how to speak up, how to believe in ourselves, and how to keep going even when it's hard. These are skills that stay with us for life, whether it's in school, chasing a dream, or stepping into the real world. So take this seriously because you're not just competing, you're growing into women you're meant to be. Keep shining and good luck to each and every one.
Excellent. You've got the elegance for real. It's all about how you carry yourself. It's all about how you feel. Confidence comes from inside. Young lady standing beside me, she wowed us when we had the competition for Miss Teen Africa USA. She wowed everybody and she deserves the crown. She is an ex, but she is still here to represent and give a brief remark. Go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. How's everybody doing? Great, awesome. My name is Siobhan Chidumma Rosuru. I'm an Igbo girl from Abia State. And I am the former first Little Miss Africa USA 2016. So 9 years ago. I competed at the age of 13. I was the oldest in my category and the shortest in my category, but I still won by being myself. And I was really a tomboy, so my mom was the one I pushed up to do pageants. So thank you, Mommy, for that, because it taught me poise, it taught me humility, and it taught me philanthropy. You know, after being crowned Little Miss Africa USA, I immediately got on a medical mission to raise money to buy supplies and build hospitals in the village, on my father's village, and in those areas where there are underrepresented communities. And I went ahead and I took those, and I took that philanthropy, and I took that humility and that gift of service, and I brought it with me throughout high school, throughout college, where I founded and am the president of an organization called African Student Excellence Organization at the University of West Georgia. And we extend our membership to Africans, African Americans, Black Americans, Afro-Caribbeans, and Afro-Latinos, because I hate diaspora wars. We all come from Mama Africa, and we all just need to learn about each other's cultures and respect and love each other. And I couldn't get that foundation without Miss Trauma and her pageantry, so I really have to thank her again, and I really wanted to do her a great service by coming here tonight and being with you all. So thank you guys again for listening and for having me, and yeah.
Once a queen, always a queen. That was 9 years ago when she did Little Miss Africa, but 9 years after, she still knows her words. Thank you so much for being here. I'm still proud of you, and thank you for being part of us. The contestants we've had in the past, some of them are now doctors, lawyers, professionals. We are so proud of them. It's not about when we do stuff like this. I make sure I reach out to a few of them to come up. This is just a dinner tonight. I'm crowning Miss Igbo USA tonight, but it's also an avenue for us now, you all, to help us get the word out. So by next year, it's gonna be, the room is gonna be overflowing. This is a welcome back dinner, because it's been 7 years or 8 years we did this Miss Igbo USA here in Atlanta. We started in Atlanta, and we're now back in Atlanta. I'm back to stay. So everybody in this room is an ambassador tonight, and sign up tonight if you want to be part of it to have the crown next year. You can sign up to be a contestant. You can sign up to be a volunteer, a participant, anything. Sign up, be part of it, be part of our culture, make us proud. So I'm gonna thank the two queens for being here tonight. As we are going to move on with our show. Next will be a cultural dance presentation. Yeah, somebody likes that. A cultural dance presentation by one of us. I hope you all will enjoy it and just have a good evening tonight. So we are going to call upon Miss Jessica Iwu